Kick of the package here. Kick of the package here. Guess what's inside? Victorinox Swiss Army knives in there. And some really interesting ones. Can't wait to have a look at them and actually try them. So much better than the previous one I got. This one is really well packed. Okay, let's see what's inside. Can't remember what I... Oh wow, interesting boxes. Oh, which one is this? The classic. Such a nice box. Wow. This is the Victorinox Classic SD Sweet Berry. Just the regular red. Classic SD. Ah, this is Alox. Ah, I even forgot I bought this one also. Wow. The Classic SD Alox. Red for the keychain. Not for my keychain. Classic SD Alox Sweet Berry. That's the barcode. Oh, the classic SD Fire Opal. This is the regular, not Alox. Oh yeah, this also doesn't really fit. The Victorinox Swiss Army knife Fire Opal. Classic SD colors Fire Opal. The boxes are the same size. This is Alox model metal, and this one is the plastic one. Or I think they try to avoid the word plastic. They call it, how they call this one? Yeah, this one on the left is the Celidor or plastic in common words, plastic. No, the one on the left is the Celidor version, the plastic scales, and the one on the right it's the Alox version of the Victorinox Classic SD Swiss Army knife. The Alox doesn't have the toothpick and the tweezers because there is no slot here. It's much thinner. They were packed separate like some special niche bag. Getting somewhere really well packed. Oh, I think I know which one is this. I think I know which one is this. Printed in Switzerland, even printed in Switzerland. Oh, it's like a matchbox. Sneak peek. No, later. Yeah. This is the MiniChamp Alox regular silver. Model number 0.6381.26. And this one was the Classic SD Alox was 0.6221.201 G, and this one was 0.6223.T82 G. That's the barcode. I think this is going to be my keychain pocket knife, the MiniChamp Alox. It's difficult to decide to not have the tweezers and especially the toothpick, but I can use any stick as a toothpick. What's there? Oh, this is really heavy. That's the barcode. This is the Victorinox Ranger Red, model number 1.3763. It's pretty heavy, but it has a lot of tools, this one. And what's this one? Okay, this is the barcode. And I had a previous package before. It was not as good as this one. This is much better. Oh, nice. Not as heavy as the Ranger. This is the Huntsman Black. I wanted it black. This is going to be probably my main knife here, or the Ranger, I don't know. Model number 1.3713.3. It's the Huntsman Black. The last one. This is pretty heavy. Oh, interesting. Heavy. Okay, I'm not sure if you know what this means, but this is an Alox. The Alox Farmer X 0.8271.26, that's the barcode. And inside there is it's the same number, right? 827126. That's the Farmer Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Farmer X Alox model. This is how it all started here. I started with the Victorinox Twinker. I started with the Tinker, and before you know it, there is 2, 4, 6, and another 4. The Explorer, Angler, the Compact, which looks pretty nice actually. The Soldier. The Soldier is going to be interesting. This is really by far the heaviest one. So now there is a collection. From these ones, which one is your favorite? And if none is your favorite, which one do you think I should have bought instead of these knives? So far from these ones, my favorite is the Tinker. Nice and simple. But it's going to be probably the MiniChamp Alox or the Huntsman Black or the Ranger Red.